A lot of work has been done in the past weeks again, and now the assembly has moved into the new side. A week and a half ago, roughly, we had the TMK's Machinery Day here at the factory, where we launched the new extension side, and we had a big party here. So everything has been made, so it was ready for that party. And now that the party is over, now we're finalizing the steps for the actual factory work here. So, as you can see on the background, we have the pallet shelves over there. On this side, where we have the forest machines now, there will be more assembly points. So the assembly points for TMK 200 and 300 will come here in a little while. But right now we're making more of the pallet shelves in there, and we're finalizing the offices, installing some support beams for the cranes, and we're waiting for the cranes here to come. We had to loan a little bit of the old cranes from the old side. So these two cranes, they will go back in the old side as soon as the new cranes come here. But we have now a functioning factory here, also on the extension side. So on the old side there is the welding and painting, and then the assembly is on this new side with the extra storage stuff. So here we have the pallet shelves, and because of the TMK's Machinery Day, we left the middle row unassembled. So we had the exhibitors here, and then we went under the pallet shelves to the other side. But now that the Machinery Day is over, here comes pallet shelves, and same for the next, between the next two, there will be more pallet shelves here. In this way, we will maximize the storage area that we have here for all the components and parts. And now we have also the AC unit for the new side, for the extension is ready and running, so we have fresh air coming inside into the extension side as well. Also, we are now finalizing doing the last painting and smoothing jobs for the offices. So that one will be the production engineer office, and this one will be the packing and sending office, where they label the gears and so on. Here will come the hand washing point. The toilet is here already running, still missing the mirror and the last trimmings on the doors. And then here will be the dressing room for the factory workers on this new side. So now the extension is already working, so the panic is off our backs. But hopefully the next update video is going to be the last one, when we have everything ready and finalized, and we have the new cranes and stuff and packing area working. But that's enough for this time. Thanks for watching, and till next time. Bye bye.